Hi, it's September 9th, 2020. I'm Jason Shapiro with CrowdedMarketReport.com. And today's Friday. I usually do these videos on Sundays, but I'm going away this weekend, and I just wanted to get this one in before I went away because I think it's a very important subject and a very difficult one. And this is going to be real short, but I think it's extremely important. And the concept is the concept of not trading. And my point here is that I think there comes a time in everyone's trading journey where they have to make a decision as to whether they are trading because they think it's fun and exciting and it's a hobby and all this, or are they trading because they want to make money over time? And I'm not here to judge which one you want to do. There's plenty of needs that people want to fulfill through trading. I try to focus my videos and my thought processes towards those who are looking to make money over time. But if it's a hobby and you're just looking for some fun and something to break up the day and something to do whatever, then that's fine too. I just don't think you should expect to be profitable over time if that's what it is. There's many hobbies out there that are fun. And I can't think of very many hobbies where you actually make money. I have a hobby. I play guitar. I spend money on gear, teachers, all kinds of things. And it's not to say I can't go out and go play the local bar on a Saturday night and make $100, but over time I'm not making money doing that. And that's fine because it's a hobby and I do it for enjoyment. But for those who are looking to actually profit over time off of trading, you have to get these sort of over trading out of your mind. When not to trade is just as important as when to trade. And a few ways to go about this, if you're journaling your trades, you'll be able to kind of go back and see what kind of trades have been profitable over time, what process has been profitable and which ones have not. And you'll be able to hopefully eliminate the ones that don't work over time and just focus on the ones that do work over time and don't do these other ones, right? Which is not trading. And the one thing about this of over trading and making trades just for fun and whatnot is it will kind of take care of itself over time, because at a certain point you'll have lost enough money and you'll be sick of it, and you'll want to focus on the trades that are actually making money and not trading the ones that are not making money. And the cycle with this tends to be, I've gone through this, a lot of people, I think everyone kind of goes through this, is you make a trade and you're making money and you kind of go on a streak of where you're making money. And then suddenly you loosen up because you feel like you're good, you're hot, you're seeing the market, you loosen up, you start making sort of non-process trades or non-disciplined trades because you feel like you're hot and all that. And then you start losing money. And then you back off, right? And you tighten up and you wait again. You wait for the good trade. You wait for a high probability trade. And you make that, and suddenly you start making money, and you go back into the habit of getting loose again and losing money. So the idea for me is you want to get into that idea of being tight all the time, sitting back, being patient. It doesn't matter if you've been making money recently or not. Sit back, be patient, wait for that high probability trade, and just make those, right? And ignore all the other ones that you're doing for fun and for the hell of it, and I just want to experiment, do this and do that. Forget all that. Be tight, focus just on the high probability stuff. Let's just make those trades. Let's have the discipline to not trade. If nothing's showing up, then nothing's showing up. Who cares? I mean, look, I get paid to manage money, okay? And I go through periods where I don't make trades for quite a while. My clients could say, hey, what are we paying you for? And then my answer becomes, well, because look at my P&L. So, that's what you're paying me for. And if within that P&L means that I go 3 weeks without making a trade or something, then that's part of it. Okay. And I know most people are not necessarily getting paid to trade, but it's irrelevant. You're trying to make money trading. If there's nothing there right now, there's nothing there. Don't push it. That's what's going to cost you money over time. And so we get the point. Learn the discipline. Have the discipline to not trade when there's no high probability trades there. Okay. That's the message for today. I hope you enjoy it. Any questions or comments, I'm more than happy to hear them. And have a good week. Thanks.